Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix sorry your PC doesn't meet the hardware requirements. First method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapters. Right-click Graphics Adapter, click Update Driver. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as Administrator. Click and expand HKey Local Machine. Click and expand System. Click and expand Current Control Set. Click and expand Control. Right-click New, D-Word 32-bit value. Type Portable Operating System, P, O and S are capital letters. Change value data to 0, click OK and exit Registry Editor. Restart system. Third method is open browser. Type game DVR config in browser search bar. Click game DVR config. Click game DVR config.exe. Open downloaded file. Right-click Taskbar, click Task Manager. Select Xbox Game Bar, click End Task. Now press Windows and G keys. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.